Welcome the our channel. Today we how to build a mobile game with Unreal Engine step by step clearly. Open Unreal Engine and create a new project. Select the game's category. Choose blank as the project type. Make sure to check the mobile option. Click Create Project. Once the project loads, navigate to the toolbar at the top. Select Edit and then Project Settings. Under the Platforms section, locate iOS or set up the necessary SDKs for your chosen platform. Next, go to the Content browser and right-click to create a new folder. Name it Assets for better organization. Import any assets you need for your mobile game. Once your assets are imported, drag and drop them into the level. Use the viewport to arrange your assets visually. Select the player character and modify its properties in the Details panel. Add any necessary components, like a camera or collision boxes. Create a new blueprint class for game logic. Select Actor as the parent class for your blueprint. Open your new blueprint and use the event graph to script interactions. Use nodes to create gameplay mechanics, such as movement and interactions. Test your game regularly by clicking the play button in the viewport. Adjust your gameplay mechanics based on testing results to improve user experience. To prepare for mobile deployment, go back to the project settings. Under Packaging, ensure for distribution is unchecked for initial testing. Select the File menu and click Package Project. Choose your platform, follow the prompts to package the game for your device. Connect your mobile device to your computer via USB. For Android, enable USB debugging on your device settings. For iOS, make sure you have the required certificates and provisioning profiles set up. Deploy your game build to your mobile device. Once installed, test the game on your device to ensure it runs smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.